Hello pet lovers! Today, we're excited to introduce the ClawJaw Cat Door for exterior walls, a perfect blend of freedom and durability for your furry friends. This innovative pet door features a robust metal frame and a telescopic tunnel, accommodating walls between 3 9/10 and 7 7/8 inches thick, making it suitable for both interior and exterior installations. Designed for pets up to 22 pounds, the flap opening measures 9 1/4 by 6 1/2 inches, while the frame itself is 13 9/10 by 9 2/5 inches, providing ample space for your cats and small dogs to come and go as they please. With double magnetic flaps and sliding lock panels, this door ensures excellent weatherproofing and helps reduce external air drafts, keeping your home comfortable in any season. Installation is a breeze with the included templates and instructions, making it simple and quick to set up. Plus, ClawJaw is dedicated to ensuring a free and comfortable lifestyle for your pets, offering responsive after-sales service to address any questions you might have. Give your pets the freedom they deserve with the ClawJaw Cat Door, where convenience meets quality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.